All right, here's our update. We are on day 4. So it's been busy. So as you can see, we got rid of all the flooring, which was carpet. And some of them you can't tell. This room was actually the worst one, and it smelled like cat pee immediately. The rest of them, this one didn't smell too bad. This one actually smelled probably the second worst. Again, just pure urine. But we got rid of the flooring. This one is next. We're gonna rip that out. Got rid of a couple of the goofy pieces of trim they had on the wall. All the curtains, I don't know if we took all the curtains down. They were just bad. All the hangers off the wall, 142 different hangers they had all over the place. And you can kind of see every 8 inches all the way around almost every single room. They had picture hangers of different things, plate hangers, different stuff. The mantle fell off. Went through there, and actually it seemed like there was water, and then I took the molding off and went in there, and the drywall was okay, but actually we have ants. So exterminator's been coming in. He'll be in here this week because we have a bunch of ant problems. So we'll be taking care of those too. The tile, I think we did the thing of the tile. The bathroom is a mess. And then all the other flooring is gone. And then once we paint the trim up here, which hopefully tomorrow, we'll scuff sand all the doors and door frames and everything. And we're gonna spray all the wood trim. And then there's a couple places where it still smelled up here, so we have oil primer. I bought extra. So all the floors, especially in the bedroom, we're gonna put oil primer down everywhere. So that way, if there's any kind of pet urine or whatever, and if anyone has pets in the future, I don't have to worry about them peeing because they smell something different. So that's kind of the plan. And then when we get down here to painting, same thing, we'll put oil primer on these areas. So that way none of the smell permeates through and animals are peeing or whatever. So there's our update of the house. We'll see you soon.